Rough around the edges, and this is a second little story about some of my first jobs after my apprenticeship. And I had a job where I was actually the nighttime supervisor in a factory, and it was in a rural location, and our factory actually ran alongside a small river. And one night I was on duty and it was pretty busy, and I went away from the unit just for a few minutes, and when I came back I heard all of this shouting and screaming, and cut a long story short, we had a flash flood and the water came all the way into the factory, and it came up to about 3 to 4 feet high, and it scared a lot of people, but also it shut a lot of our equipment down. So not such a good memory, but a great experience to be able to figure out how to get people out of the factory safely and take responsibility. So yeah, nighttime flood, not so much fun. What nighttime experiences have you had from work?